Children, I am Mrs. Agnes Mary, your maths teacher. Today we are starting our 6th class maths by recapping our last year portion, a place value system. Now we are going to see that. What is place value? Place value describes the position of a digit in a number. Each digit has some value in the number depending on its position. There are two types of place value system. First one, Indian system. Second one, international system. Indian system we are following in India. International system, all other foreign countries are following this system. In Indian system, the periods are divided into 4 groups. The first period is ones, the second period is thousands, the third period is lakhs, the fourth period is crores. Under the period, the places are divided into different way. Under ones period, the places are 3 places are there. The first one ones, then tens, then hundred. Under the period of thousand, we are having thousands and 10,000 places. Under lakhs, we are having lakhs and 10 lakhs places. Under crores, we are having crores and 10 crores. Now, according to that, we are writing the place values. Now, how Indian system are divided in these periods, international system also having different periods. There are 3 periods are there. That is ones, thousands and millions. Under each period, there are 3 places. Under ones, units are ones, then tens, then hundreds. Under thousands, we are having thousands, 10,000s and 100,000 places. Under million places, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. This way, the numbers are grouped under the periods in different places. Now, both of these periods will given one example. Let us consider the number 9, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 1, 0 and represent it in both the systems. Now, there are 9 numbers. How we are going to write in Indian system? Here we are use the periods, no? Like that, we have to put commas according to the periods and make it into Indian system. That is ones, tens, hundreds, then we have to put comma. Then 1,000, 10,000, then here we have to put commas. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs, then we have to put commas. Why we have to follow this system? This system is helpful to read the numbers in a correct way and in a easy way we can read it. Here after putting commas, we can read the numbers in Indian system or international system easily. How? Because we are putting commas according to the periods. 94 crores, 32 lakhs, 17,210 we can read after putting commas. If you are not putting any commas, it is very difficult to read it. Now, the same number, how to write in an international place value system. Now, 0, that is ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 millions. Now, how we can read these numbers? 943 millions, 217,210. So, in Indian system and international system, we are following the periods to put the commas and make it easy to read and write. Okay, children, these portions you have to copy down in your CW as well as in your homework book also. Thank you.